So if you've ordered some flavour, some of my recipes, some popcorn recipes, then they will probably come in little labelled plastic things like this. And this one is chili, lemon and coriander. So for chili, lemon and coriander, basically the ones that are made up of powder, literally just open the thing and sprinkle your flavour on. It is as simple as that. Just sprinkle it on, throw the whole pot in there if you want. I don't know that you'll need all of that, to be fair, but up to you. And then when you've done that, give it a little shake, serve. You're done. So this one is caramel crisps. So the first thing you'll notice is that it's kind of stuck in the pot. So what you do is you push the bottom like that, yeah? It should just pop out. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. But there you go, so you've literally got this chunk of caramel crisp that has popped out. So what we do, and this is the important bit, you get a larger pot than the pot you popped your corn in. Okay? And you literally just put that in there and heat it up. So we're now at the almost at the lightly bubbling stage, because that took about, I don't know, maybe 3-4 minutes like that. You can also just whack it in the microwave for 30 seconds, just to melt it, and then pour it straight into the pot. Once you've got your melted caramel crisp in your pot, pour your corn in and just stir it around. This is why you have a bigger pot than what you popped your corn in. So you've got lots of space to do this bit. Just stirring it, turning it up and over, so that it all kind of gets touched by the caramel. Once you've done that, here's the trick. You could just whack it in a bowl and serve it. But what you can do, if you just get a bag, carry a bag, decant your popcorn into your bag. You don't want it to be too hot at this stage, because obviously it will melt the bag. Okay, so you've got your popcorn in the bag. Now what you do, you just leave that to cool. It's cooled down in the bag. What you'll notice is it is now just solid. So what you do, you get it and you break it down. Just bang it on the surface a few times and it all starts crumbling apart. There you go. And that is just lovely. Probably the best caramel popcorn that I've ever had. The last thing is the sugar and spice of all things nice. Very similar to that, just literally soft enough to spoon out, put in a pot, heat it up, just warm it through a little bit, and then just whack your freshly popped popcorn into that larger pot, stir it down to flavour it, and you're off. So that's it. Have fun. I hope you enjoyed